Space, Missouri, your B-2 sound
Doesn't that just look like a rip in the sky? It doesn't look like the plane, it just looks like the sky opened up. See the dark deepness of space out there. The revolutionary blending of low observability technology and the high aerodynamic efficiency. Whoa. And the bomb run.
Delivery accuracy over previous generations. The aircraft you will see perform today is the AV-8 Harrier 2 Plus, the greatly improved version of the AV-8. It is built by Boeing and powered by massive Rolls-Royce Pegasus 2 engines, developing 23,400 pounds of thrust for about 35,000 horsepower. The Marine Corps has 2 remaining tactical Harrier squadrons, both based in Cherry Point, North Carolina. Located 2 on each side of the aircraft. The pilot is able to control the direction of thrust by positioning these four movable nozzles. And by the way, it is all manually accomplished by the pilot. The movable exhaust nozzles can be directed aft for conventional flight, intermediate for short takeoff and short landing, and down for vertical flight. As the pilot approaches, he will execute what is called a brake. During this maneuver, the pilot will decelerate from 500 to 0 knots, utilizing movable thrust nozzles. The pilot, who directs engine bleed air through reaction control nozzles located at the wingtips, nose, and tail, maintains control of the aircraft during vertical operations. The AV-8 is capable of operating from remote sites in close proximity to friendly forces or on carriers and other small ships with only a minimal amount of landing space available.
You know, when I was in school, we used to sing something like this.
Here he comes for a second pass. The Harrier can perform a vertical takeoff from a prepared surface or a rolling vertical takeoff from almost any surface. This allows the pilot great flexibility in choosing among the takeoff areas available. Lieutenant Colonel Matthew Seaman decelerates his Harrier by selecting the nozzles full down and deliberately overshoots his hover point in order to activate. This demonstration would not be possible without the hard work and dedication of this aircraft's maintenance Marines. Staff Sergeant Tom Hickey from Troy, Alabama, Staff Sergeant Casely from Apple Valley, California, Sergeant Bolkovich from Greensboro, North Carolina, Sergeant Durant from El Paso, Texas, Sergeant Crisco from Fort Mojave, Arizona, Corporal Richardson from Streeter, Illinois, Corporal Kyer from Raccoon, Kentucky, Corporal Lawrence from Alberta, Minnesota, Lance Corporal Barrows from Roxbury, Massachusetts, Lance Corporal Buckner from Cook, Minnesota, Lance Corporal Conley from Harrington, North Delaware, Lance Corporal Mignot from Roseville, California, Lance Corporal Ralph, Arlington, Texas, and our static display pilot, Captain Bernier from Tuska, Alabama. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our aerial demonstration. In closing, I would like to say that